Hello guys, good morning. It's me, Kihon Jovelin. For today's video, we are going to make another video about environmental issue in our municipality. But before that, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. For today's video, we are going to Eco Park of Madrid to see the garbage and waste disposal that collective in all municipality of Madrid. So let's go! And now we are here at Eco Park of Madrid. Let's go inside so we can see how much garbage is filled up. You can see the entrance of Eco Park. It's so many flowers and trees, and later I will see you the garbage that collect in all area of municipality of Madrid that filled up inside. So guys, we are here now. As you can see, so many garbage disposal that collect in all area of municipality of Madrid. This garbage is not biodegradable and cannot be properly be recycled, is filling our oceans and landfills. Improper waste disposal or any scale that can create environmental problems, health problems, and even economic concerns. And now, before getting to worse, we need to work together and help to reduce the production of waste. As you can see of this area, it's so many full of sacks of garbage and so many plastic bottles.